Hey, John Crestani here. Now, I don't usually do posts like this, but this is actually an income report that I'm doing, and I'm going to be outlining exactly how I made $916,000 in just 30 days. And I'll be going over the 4 income sources that I used to earn this sort of money with my online business with absolutely 0 employees. I'll be going over that in this video. Stay tuned. Hey, so for those of you who don't know about me, I'm an internet entrepreneur. I run an online business. I do a lot of affiliate marketing, and I also teach people about affiliate marketing and have digital courses doing that. Now, I've been doing this for 10 years, and just a quick disclaimer is that the numbers I'm about to go over and my results are not typical at all. Okay, I've been doing this business for literally 10 years, and I was doing this on the side, just basically failing and being an embarrassment to my friends and my family for 4 years. I worked as a medical guinea pig to pay the bills, which meant I was a human test subject, in order to make money. So I've been through a lot of struggles, and I don't encourage anyone, unless you can handle it, to go through these struggles. With that being said, I'll be going over how I made $916,591 in a single month. Another disclaimer is this is my revenue. This is not all profit. Now, I'm not going to go into my exact profit numbers, but they're fine, okay? So I'm in the top 1% of the population, but I will go over what amounts, I made for each of these categories. So the first category that I made money in was events, okay? Promoting. I'm an affiliate for a number of events-related companies and seminar-related companies, and I'm just gonna mark what is affiliate income and what is not. And this is actually affiliate marketing income. So I'm just circling that right there. And with events, I made a cool $362,000. Okay, so I'll be rounding each income up to the nearest thing. Now, what I do is I market events, and I'm not going to exactly go into how exactly I market events, because then you could steal all my ads from me. and the space is only so big, and this is a space that I've been in for years, and I teach people all my marketing methods, but I keep certain campaigns to myself, as many affiliate marketers do. So that being said, that's where I make my affiliate income right now. So the next category where I make money is digital products, and this is not affiliate income. This is actually my income from, I have a course. I have a 6-week course on affiliate marketing called the Super Affiliate System. And you can find a link below this video. I have a lot of students, a lot of people. Shout out to all my students. What up? And this is my digital program. And last month I did about $500,000, about $500,000 in sales of my training course. And it's actually pretty exciting because a lot of people have been coming to me as a teacher recently and finding out about me from this channel or our ads or whatnot. And it's actually really interesting. I really enjoy being a teacher. While this isn't affiliate marketing income and it involves a lot more work, I actually really enjoy it. And I like seeing all of the lives that I'm changing. If you go to my channel homepage, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell. But if you go to my channel homepage, you'll see a bunch of testimonials I've gotten from people who are in their 60s all the way to kids that are 18 years old. There's this one African-American guy called Drell from some poor town. He's like 18 years old, and he's earning $10,000 a month now, and his life is completely changed. And he went through one of my programs like a year or 2 ago. So that sort of stuff is just, really crazy that I'm having such an impact on people's lives. He doesn't have to go to college anymore. He's making more money than any of his friends. They don't even believe it. And it's just really exciting having such a big impact on people, teaching them this business model. So that's been something that's been a big income source, but it's not affiliate marketing. Now, the next income source for me is affiliate marketing, and I'm just gonna put a big circle around the income sources that are affiliate marketing related. Now, hosting is web hosting, and everybody needs a website. No matter where you are in business, if you're gonna start an online business, you need to have a website. I wanna repeat, you need to have a website. Websites are the basic fundamental element of where you're gonna host your landing pages, what you're gonna use to apply to affiliate programs with. It's the foundation of your business. So last month, I made $37,000 from referring people to hosting affiliate program so that people could set up their website. I mean, you just need it. So it's a very basic thing. And a lot of those people, they come from YouTube and they come from my other social media. Now, the last affiliate program that I'm a affiliate for is in the software category. It's actually called ClickFunnels. Who are my ClickFunnels users in the audience? Guys, type in hashtag funnel hacker in the comments below if you're using ClickFunnels. It's a great software. I use it every day to build all of my affiliate sites. Absolutely love that. So funnel hackers, type in hashtag funnel hacker in the comments below if you know what I'm talking about and how great the software is. So last month I made a cool $17,000 as an affiliate for ClickFunnels. Absolutely love the software. It's recurring, really passive income. I'm a dream car winner and just a big fan of their software. I use it myself, as I do with all of these products, and really excited about what's going on there. And just, I'm using the software myself, and I'm actually developing my own software, which is, I call it ClickFunnels for Ads. I'll reveal more about that as more developments happen. So it's pretty mind-blowing to be in this position, and the support I've gotten just as a marketer and all of the people that I do business with to reach this level. Frankly, this is nuts, and it's really cool to be able to post up numbers like this in my business. But again, I want to put out that disclaimer that this does not happen overnight. It took me 10 years of non-stop pain and non-stop grinding, 16-hour days to reach this point where I can make $916,000 in a single month, right? That's nutty. So you can do it too, and I believe anybody can do it, but it takes a lot of work. It takes a lot of sacrifice. I know other marketers that are making more than me, but what I enjoy about my income is that I don't have any employees. I literally have nobody working for me. I have a lot of contractors, I have a lot of agencies that I work with, but I don't actually have any employees on full-time payroll, if that makes sense. The way I run my business, I probably have, between the agencies and all that stuff, affiliates that work full-time, promoting my program, I probably have about 25 people that their entire business is based off of supporting my business now, frankly, which is kind of weird. But there's a lot of people in my ecosystem that I work with on a daily basis, and I'm very grateful to, the people who handle my support and development for my digital program and all of the other marketers, etc., that are in my ecosystem. Thank you for everything you've done. So if you'd like to learn more about affiliate marketing and follow my journey, make sure you hit that subscribe button, hit the notification bell. I sometimes do live streams and I'll answer questions live. You can ask me anything. First of all, if this blows your mind that you can do these sorts of numbers without any employees, just go in the comments and type in mind blown, because it's possible and it's really cool. Really, I believe you just have to work hard. I don't know programming. I got started in this industry just like you and everybody else. I didn't know anything when I started. So type in mind blown if that's cool. And if you are interested in following my journey and watching more videos to learn about how you can do affiliate marketing like you see me doing, or even about digital courses or whatever, all the other stuff I do, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification bell, and comment with whatever questions you have or any video requests that you would like me to do next. So talk to you soon, and thanks for following me.